set up our proof. So this is the first bubble. YA is congruent to BA. Angle B is congruent to angle Y. And those are all given. So let's put them in bubbles. And then write the word given next to them. Given. So these were your two givens. Okay. All right. Then from our two givens, let's see. We have an angle and a side, angle and a side, angle and a side. Ooh, bow tie. Look, I can get the extra angle here. So angle YZA is congruent to angle BCA. And that is by what property? Well, we can say that is by vertical angles. Once we have that, we can now connect it. We can say triangle YZA is congruent to triangle BCA, and that is the property of ASA. Once we have that, we can identify the parts that we want. AZ is congruent to angle AC. We can get that by having CP, CTC. But we have to make sure that we prove the triangles are congruent first.